Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this green thing that you saw in the intro. This green thing is called spirulina, and I'm going to tell you why you should include it in your diet. So what is spirulina? Spirulina is an algae, and it's nothing new. It was actually consumed by Aztecs once upon a time, and it's actually recommended and grown by NASA astronomers. It's packed with nutrients, got literally 4 grams of protein, all sorts of vitamin B1, B2 and B3, iron, magnesium, omega-3 good fats, and is actually the most nutritious food in the planet per gram. Like, there is no other food in the planet that have that much nutrition per gram as spirulina. On top of that, is highly anti-inflammatory, protect the heart, have anti-cancer properties. It's good for the muscle strength, good for anemia, and we girls tend to lose a lot of blood in our periods, and it helps you with blood sugar control. On top of that, it's reducing belly fat, promoting hair growth. It's good for the nervous system, helps with collagen production. The chlorophyll, it helps to remove the toxins out of your body and the heavy metals from the blood. And it's very important because we and the girls tend to have too high estrogen. So removing toxic from our body is something that we should really focus on. So are there any risks? It actually can be contaminated with the toxins. So please be careful from where you're buying your spirulina. I got mine from the health shop, and usually those from the health shop, they've got the certificates and they are absolutely safe for the human consumption. So after you got your spirulina, remember to take it at least 4 hours before you're going to bed, and take 8 grams per day. Spirulina should come with a small spoon, so basically just scoop the spoon and you can add it to literally everything. I'm adding it to my smoothie and I'm adding it to my salads. So how long before you start seeing the benefits? It's from 1 till 3 weeks. Please click the like button, subscribe and share it with everyone so we can all come together and heal together. I love you so much, and I'm gonna see you in next video next week. Bye.